Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily close your account in Coinbase. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to top right, it's your name, and then click settings. When you're going to be here, you want to click on the 5 thing on the menu, and it's called activity. So what you want to do is just click on activity, and when you're going to do it, you need to scroll down below. And then right here, when I'm going to move away my doggy, you have options to close account, and you just want to simply click close account. And now close your Coinbase account. You will be able to withdraw all your funds, and then your Coinbase account will permanently close. Enter your password, continue, and you just close your account. I'm not going to close your mine account, but this is how you can close yours. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.